Today we will be showing you how to do performance makeup for competition. I will be doing makeup on our dancer Cecilia here. So first you want to start by putting foundation that's a shade darker than your dancer's natural skin tone all over the face, blended smoothly. And then we are going to take the blush that's provided by the studio. You're going to start by getting some on the brush and having your dancer do a fish face and applying the blush to the hollows of the cheeks, almost to where you would do a contour, but a little bit above that. You're going to want to make it bright so that it shows underneath the stage lights. And then we're going to move on to eyes. So for the eyes, you will get a studio provided eyeshadow palette and you are going to get a brush. So you're going to take the lightest color and you're going to take that and apply that all over the lid with the larger end of the brush. You're going to take that and put it all over the lid and blend it up towards the eyebrow. Now that the base color is applied, you're going to take the dark brown shade on the small end of your brush and you're going to apply this in the crease and outer V of the eyelid. So you're going to apply it right here and drag it down towards the outer corner. And then do the same on the other eye. After you're done with that, you're going to blend it out so all the colors go together. After your eyeshadow is done, you're going to move on to eyeliner and you're going to do a thin line on the top eye extending out to about where your eyeshadow ends, and then you're going to do bottom eyeliner just underneath the eyelashes. After you're done applying your eyeliner, you're going to apply a black waterproof mascara to both the top and bottom lashes. After you apply your first coat of mascara, wait until it dries and apply a second layer. The final step of your dancer's makeup is lips. The studio will provide you with a lip stain color depending on your dancer's age. You will start off by applying lip liner around the edges of the lips. And now your dancer's look is completed and ready to go on stage. You're going to get some on your brush and you're going to...
Don't look at me!
The final step of this makeup...
Ew.
Final step
of this makeup.
Bloopers! Okay.
Oh yeah, you should do bloopers at the end.
Is lipstick.
Oh my god, you messed it up.
What? You'll be provided with a lip stain.
And now your dancer's look is completed and ready to go on stage. Peace out, guys.